Hello everyone that is watching. Yes, we are going to be doing a technical analysis on Bitcoin as well as some other altcoins, so you guys don't want to miss out. With that said, we are going to be talking about some news in cryptocurrency as well. So with that said, let's get right into it. So guys, we're looking at the 1 hour chart right now for Bitcoin. As you guys know, it has settled around the $48,000 to $47,000 mark, which is good because we have seen a lot of upward movement, as you guys can see right here. So it has to calm down before it goes back up. That is why I marked up some charts, found some interesting things, and yeah guys, so if you look right here, we are forming a pennant pattern, a continuation pattern, which is a good sign. As you guys can see, it is forming right now. As you guys, if you look at this right here. So if you are going to basically trade, margin trade, I wrote up some stuff for you guys, so here it is. So stop loss at 47,700, you buy at 48,200, and you sell around the 50 to 52,000, as you guys can see. And yes guys, sorry if my voice sounds different. For some reason, I have a sinus or whatever you call that, but that is not keeping me away from marking up charts. So as you guys can see, if you zoom out a little bit more, you guys can see this thing forming right here, this pendant pattern. And I wrote this as an idea. If you guys want, I'm gonna do this actually if it does happen. So yeah, that's for Bitcoin. Moving on to some other altcoins, we're going to be looking at Cardano. And yes guys, same with Cardano, it finally passed the $1.20. It went up to $1.22, which is a good sign and a bullish sign for Cardano. So as you guys can see, it's also forming a pendant pattern. So right here guys, I would buy around the $1.20 if it goes back up, and sell around the $1.50 to $1.63. As you guys can see, the next major resistance, because it's passing it right here, is around the $1.50 to $1.60. So that's it for Cardano. It is up 0.14% today, or actually $1.07 or 1% today. Now moving on to another one is VeChain. Yes guys, VeChain went as high as 8 cents. Yes, so if you would have listened where I bought down here, I did buy at 4 cents. I doubled, I sold, and now I'm looking for another buy. As you guys can see, this is different from the Cardano and Bitcoin movement. As you guys can see, it did pass the resistance of 7 cents, but it is forming a falling wedge, which is a great sign, a bullish sign. So we're gonna have to wait for the next couple hours and maybe one day to get in on a trade for this. So I would get in around the 7 cents, and if everything goes correctly, sell around the 9 to 10 cents around this area, because this is the next resistance. So those are just some ideas of what's forming right now in crypto. Let me know what you guys think. Sorry guys if my nose is bothering you and all that stuff. But moving on to some crypto news, some big Bitcoin news, which is why I'm very, very bullish, and I do expect Bitcoin to eventually make its way back up and enter the $50,000 range. You guys can see around here. If you look right here, this MicroStrategy borrows money to buy more Bitcoin. He did get approved. It was like $205 million loan from this bank, because he is very bullish on Bitcoin. And if you guys look at some of the charts, people are buying more and more Bitcoin, these big companies, every single day, which is some big news. Just this came out earlier today, a few hours ago. So yes, guys, I am bullish on Bitcoin. As you guys can see, what is forming right here before our very eyes, and which is why I do expect it to make its way back up and hit the $50,000 to $52,000 mark. We are entering a very bullish, very bullish cycle right now, because we are entering spring, which is a good sign. Same with Cardano, looks like it's gonna be bullish. Same with VeChain. These are my three favorite right now, including Ethereum. Yes, guys, if you look at Ethereum, it made its way back up like crazy. It's at 3,400. Just remember, the all-time high was 4,500. We're $900. No, sorry, $1,100 away from all-time high. So yeah, guys, keep buying more Bitcoin, more Ethereum, more Cardano, more VeChain. But that's all I have for today on Bitcoin, Ethereum, VeChain, Cardano. Let me know what you guys think. And if you guys want to enter my trade ideas, make sure to join Discord. I do post them. With that said, peace out, guys. Peace.